Hello everyone and welcome to the second lecture on correlation analysis. This topic comes under the course Business Statistics offered in the first year of BBA. Your faculty is Dr. Suchitra Shrivastava, Professor in the SAGE group of institutions. Today we will be talking about the different methods of correlation analysis. So there are mainly three methods of correlation analysis that are there in your syllabus. There are several methods which are beyond the scope of the syllabus, so we will not be talking about those methods. So the three methods that are in your syllabus are the scatter diagrams, which are also known as the diagrammatic method, the Karl-Pearson's method, and the Spearman's method, or it is also known as the Spearman's rank correlation method. Now let us discuss about each of these methods in detail. So as I just discussed in the earlier slide, that the scatter diagrams are nothing but a graphical method or a diagrammatic method to represent the correlation between two variables. Now please note that there are going to be two variables which we will be plotting on the x-axis and y-axis respectively. Now look at the graph on the top two graphs. Now in the first graph we have a straight line, and in this it is known as, for example, it is this line and it is known as and it is known as the positive linear relationship. Similarly, when we talk about this graph, this again signifies a negative but linear correlation. Now, coming to this, in this we see that the curve is in this form, and we say that because we have a curve, firstly we say that it is a nonlinear relationship, and since the curve is coming down, that is when one of the variables is increasing, suppose we say that this is the variable x, and suppose the variable x is increasing, we find that the value of variable y is decreasing. So in that case we say that there is a negative correlation. So by examining this graph, or by looking at this graph, you can say that there is negative non-linear relationship between the variables. Now look at this graph. In this we have a cloud of points. We cannot fit either a straight line or a curve through these points, and hence we say that there is no correlation between variables x and y. So now the question arises that why should we go in for the scatter diagrams, or why should we plot the graphs, right? What is it that we stand to gain if we were to plot the two variables? Now the first advantage is that this is a quick and simple method. Now if you look at, or if you revise in the previous graphs, once we plot the graphs, we have a fair idea whether there is a positive relationship, whether there is a negative relationship, whether there is a curvilinear relationship or non-linear relationship, or whether there is no relationship. So by just plotting the points, we get a fair idea about the correlation between two variables. That is, we come to know whether firstly the relationship exists or not, right? And second, we come to know about the direction of relationship, and we also come to know whether the relationship is going to be linear or non-linear. So the main advantage is that it is one, quick and simple method. Two, it does not involve complex computations or calculations. The third is that it gives us the direction of relationship. Now, the major drawback of this method is that it does not quantify the extent of the relationship. That is, it does not tell us the magnitude of the relationship. Now, this is a very major limitation of this method. Now, in the next lecture, we will learn how this limitation is overcome by the Karl Pearson's method. Thank you, students, for your attention and time.